Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever needed to send one email to your entire team, department, or client list without typing every address manually, this video is for you today. I'm walking you through how to send a group email in Outlook. The full guide. It's quick, easy, and by the end, you'll be able to message your whole group in just one click. Let's get started. First, log into your Outlook account. Open your browser, go to the Outlook login page, and enter your email address. Then click Next. Now, type in your password, and if Outlook asks for additional verification, which is like a code to your phone or backup email, go ahead and confirm that. This keeps your account secure and ready to use. Once you're signed in, Outlook may ask if you'd like to stay signed in. Approve that if you use this device often. Now, from the left sidebar, click on Mail to access your inbox. Next, look for the Groups section. This is where all your contact groups live, perfect for teams, departments, or recurring contacts you message often. You can open an existing group or even create a new one if needed. Now, click New Mail to start your message. In the To field, start typing the group name. Outlook will automatically suggest your saved contact group or individual addresses. Choose the one you want, and you'll see all the members added instantly. Then, write your email message just like normal. Make sure it's clear since multiple people will receive it. Need to send files? Just click the paperclip icon to add any attachments. Before hitting send, take a moment to review your subject line, recipients, and attachments. Make sure everything looks perfect. Once ready, hit send, and Outlook will instantly deliver your email to everyone in the group, all at once. And that's it. You've just learned how to send a group email in Outlook. Like a pro, this simple trick saves tons of time and keeps your communication efficient and organized. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick 2025 Outlook and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.